Right folks, this is a video to install an NLK, in fact, screen protector. And I'm showing this because I think it's one of the best screen protector app installations you can get. And you might think, oh, this is just boring, but hey ho, I'm just showing you this because this is good. This is a good set of kit, and this is by Aramamon. I think it says that. Okay, so there it is, folks. Okay, LK. You can get these off Amazon, and they really are great. This one's for the Samsung Galaxy S20, but of course they do other screen protectors for other phones. But they've got something on here, a way of installing these that's quite unique. So let me just show you. Firstly, you get the wipes, the dry and the wet wipes. You get the dust removers. You get the thing on the left. There's like a little squidgy to put it down. Then you get the actual things themselves, the actual protectors themselves. Let's rattle this along quickly to show you where we are. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just taking off the old one. Let's get that done quick. Right folks, so now on double speed, just to get through this video nice and quickly. Take off the wet wipe, and you're going to clean the screen. There might be some residue from the old screen protector, so clean that one off. Then open the dry wipe to remove any excess white wipe stuff. Pretty straightforward this. We've done all this before, haven't we? You'll be looking at the screen in the light to check that it's all nice and clean, there's no dust. But you never know, there might be a bit of dust you haven't seen, so that's where the dust thing comes into play. It's basically a sticker. Run that all over the top and it'll pick up any bits and bobs. And give it another look, just make sure there's nothing on there. All looking pretty good, okay? So next up, I'll get another wipe. Should I have done that? There's obviously something on there that wasn't moved, so you know, take a bit of time, make sure your screen's nice and clean. Stay with me here folks, and like and subscribe if you can. I do all sorts of different reviews. Now you get this little plastic clip thing that goes in where the USB-C port is, and that's got 3 holes. So when you take the screen protector out, you can feed it in on the left-hand side there. I'll zoom this in a little bit. But the screen protector is actually held in place on the left-hand side there by 3 things that stick up through the screen protector itself there. So you just make sure it's in place, and that helps you align the top and bottom edges and the far end pretty well actually. You push down across the middle. I didn't do it so much here, but where that double line is in the middle, then you just fold back on one side and push forward, and it's as easy as that. And now you smooth it that way, get rid of any rough bits on the edges, etc. Sorry, I'm almost out of screen there, but you can see where the bubbles are underneath, and you basically squidge them away. Make sure that front edge is in there, and then you do the same the opposite way. Push that back. Lovely jubbly. Take out the little guide, the plastic guide, and then push back the other way. So now you can finally, after you've got it looking good, you can finally peel off the remaining plastic. And on this screen, then you just go around the edges, make sure the edges are nice because it's got a curved edge screen. And it's just around the edges, it might be the odd bubble that you find. So it's a less stressful way of putting on a new screen protector. As you can see, it looks the biz, doesn't it? Let's play some celebration music. Couldn't have said it better myself.